This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a BMW 1 Series. First, ensure your engine is cool before starting. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and open it. Also, remove the expansion tank cap to help the old coolant drain completely into a collection pan. This step is crucial for a thorough flush. Once the old coolant is drained, close the radiator drain plug. Now, fill the system with distilled water through the expansion tank. Start your engine and turn the heater to its maximum setting. Let the engine run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. Then, drain the distilled water. Repeat this flushing process until the water coming out is completely clear, ensuring all old contaminants are gone. After flushing, close the drain plug firmly. Prepare your new coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 ratio of BMW-approved coolant and distilled water. Slowly pour this mixture into the expansion tank. Fill it up to the maximum level indicator. Take your time to avoid air pockets, which can cause overheating issues. This fresh coolant will protect your engine effectively. With the new coolant in, start the engine with the expansion tank cap off and the heater on high. This helps to bleed any trapped air from the system. Squeeze the radiator hoses gently to encourage air bubbles to escape. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as necessary. Once no more bubbles appear, replace the expansion tank cap. Check for leaks and monitor the level over the next few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.